Let's make soft tofu stew, 순두부찌개. If you have 1 can of spiced tuna, you can make it easier at home. These are all the ingredients you need. Let's prepare vegetables first. Slice onions and chop green onions. And cut hot chili into small pieces. Ingredients are ready. Put some cooking oil and sesame oil in the pot first. Then put garlic and green onions and stir them with low-medium heat. This step enriches the flavor of stew. Add about 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and stir them well again. While stirring it, add some onions in the pot and add some black pepper too. It makes deeper spicy flavor and taste. Pour 1 can of spiced tuna into the pot. Stir fry them about 3 to 5 minutes, then add 1 cup of water. If you have anchovy kelp stock, it's better for taste. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce and fish sauce. Add any mushrooms for your preference. I added enoki mushroom. Lastly, add hot chili that we prepared before. Boil it with strong heat. Add soft tofu to the soup. Boiling 1 more and add 1 egg as a last step. Then it's done.